Welcome to Gyproc. We prioritize safety. Western safety shoes are mandatory on the entire area. Report your arrival at the transportation office and get your loading papers. Make sure you have the right loading paper with you. Drive to Zone 2. Prepare the truck for loading. If the truck can open two sides, this is mandatory. Make sure the straps are rolled and the edge protection is placed on the lorry. Wait for the forklift driver to come and get you. Follow the forklift driver who leads you to the right place. We will not start loading until you are in the safe haven or at the designated location by the forklift driver. When the loader tells you to, you can exit the safe haven and start securing the load in your safe space using the tools. When loading is complete, remember to return the tools before moving the car. The brake pad is removed and the loader gives you a signal for you to exit. Exit on the right side towards Zone 5. Secure the last part of the load here. Finish by picking up CMR notes at the transportation office. After 4 p.m., the shipping documents will be placed in the mailbox.